Here's a certified 2017 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. The C-Class has pioneered breakthroughs in performance, safety, and luxury for 5 generations, raising the bar and putting innovation within reach. And it comes with all the amenities you need: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual-zone climate control, power heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, M-Brace 2 external memory control, power tilting steering column, rear-wheel drive, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. High style, high performance, Mercedes-Benz. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,